Funny thing is, I think they threw their ticket. They threw it, but now they need it. So they got it back from the trash can. Sino kumuha sa basura kanina?
Today's adventure to the United States takes a quick detour through Taipei by our favorite airline for the past 2 years, Starlux. Offering premium services and features such as great food, metal utensils, and a seat recline like no other, Starlux is worth the price of admission as we've ridden this airline more than a dozen times already in the past 18 months. Having a 12-hour layover can be a plus in Taipei as they give you freebies to see the city. A 45-minute train ride takes you straight to Taipei main station, where we change train lines to be able to get to Ximending for some fun eats and tasty treats.
So we finally arrived here in Taiwan. We are back after a few months, I think more than half a year. But we're just here for a layover of 11 hours. And what's nice about Taiwan is that if you have a long layover beyond 4 hours, you can actually get a free tour from the airport. We're not doing an entire tour. There are options there if you want to avail that. But what's nice is that you can actually get free train tickets to some locations, some stations. You can get it round trip. So we availed of that so that we can get free train tickets for today. We're going to get some food. We're going to have some milk tea. I don't know if we can have some beef noodle soup today while we're here. We have still about, I think 5 hours more before we get back to the airport. So it's still quite nice. The weather today is actually a bit rainy. It's a bit gloomy. It's okay. At least it's not that hot. So right now we're just here at the train station after traveling an hour from the airport to the city. Here now in Taipei, I believe. And we're out to explore. We are headed to Banan Station. Check in the map and off we go. Let's follow the experts. We are always following the leaders or else we will get lost. It's okay.
Don't follow us.
It's a ticket.
Literally a ticket.
So, where are we going?
Ximen.
Ximen.
Station, which will lead you to Ximending.
Okay. Ximen. Ximen Station, Ximending. We're here at Banan Station and we're on the way to Ximen. And funny thing is, I think they threw their ticket, single journey ticket. They threw it, but now they need it. So they got it back from the trash can. Sino kumuha sa basura kanina? So we've arrived here at Ximen Station, and as you can see, there's a lot of shops in here, right straight out of the subway. There's a lot of brands here that's recognizable as well. But what we're excited about is actually to eat some local food. So let's explore. So first up, we are here at the shop that we just saw right after the train station. When you enter the arch at Ximen Station, I think it's called Joyful. Can't read in Taiwanese, but it's very unique because they offer here a combination of boba and xiaolongbao. So we got for each of us to try it. There's actually a xiaolongbao here that has boba inside. That's interesting, but we got the pork instead. And then they gave us free pans. So cool. We'll try if it's good.
Ximending or Ximending is Taipei's premier shopping and entertainment district. Frequently called as the Harajuku of Taipei, it offers a unique blend of youth subculture, street fashion, and lots of great food and milk tea to take in the vibrant Taiwanese street culture.
Yeah, that's the boba.
So the verdict is The milk tea is really good. For somebody who doesn't really like milk tea, I mean, I don't not like it. It's just that I'm not an avid drinker because I know that it's sweet and we stay away from sugar. But this one is really good because it's not too sweet and it's so fresh. So thumbs up for this one, and they got good experience for us with all the freebies and all the wonderful people serving. So you must visit this when you're in Taiwan.
Exploring the alleys of Ximending brought us to this little gem of a food trip where you can find much of Taiwan's street food musts, all within a couple of steps from each other. The pork ribs was way too good. The sausages had a sweet twist to them, which I honestly liked, and the xiaolongbao was a bit thickly wrapped, but still carried great flavor. The food was perfect for hungry tummies, and the servers were also friendly too. You gotta love Taipei. After stuffing ourselves, we made the most of the sail in GU cause why wouldn't you when you're already there? Unfortunately, the rain caught up to us when we got to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, which really dampened this short layover. Not too long after, the sun started setting and we found ourselves heading back to the airport, where we grabbed a quick serving of beef noodles before checking back in for our LA flight. Every LA morning deserves to start with good coffee, so off we went and stumbled upon this packed cafe called Okayama Kobo near Anaheim. Great coffee and matcha too. Deserves a stop anytime. Of course, our first California lunch just had to be in and out, cause why not?
When you're in LA, eating out, not so healthy, but it's okay. Sira muna yung diet ngayon. Wala muna nagda-diet yun. Especially,
Well, good morning, good day from sunny LA. Today we are here in northern LA. We came all the way from Anaheim this morning. We're here to have a studio tour here in Warner Brothers. It's our first time. We don't really know what to expect. As you know, I think the Universal Studios tour is the one that's more famous or more known to us personally. This is the first time that we're going to be trying this studio tour here, so we're very excited. So we had an hour and a half ride from Anaheim, and getting here, time check is 11 o'clock. We have a tour that we booked on Klook for the 11:30 slot. So you got to book before you go here to make sure that you have slots for your studio tour. They say it takes a 3-hour tour, and then you can check some stuff for yourselves as well, experience the real sets. And upon parking here, coming down, you're greeted by this store right away. So we're just checking out first impressions. There's a lot to see. The store alone just is very overwhelming with the tons of merch. So there's DC, there's some of their TV series, Warner Brothers TV series, and of course Harry Potter. Let's see what else is here. All right. So what do we see? Oh, Friends, of course, and Big Bang Theory. Pinoy, 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 Pinoy. Pinoy. Look at that, of course, Central Perk. Look at that. Oh, parang gusto ko to. Oh no. Look at all those mugs. How you doing? How you doing? Look at those Central Perk mugs. Friends is the greatest TV series ever. Ever. And millennials are speaking. Yeah, this corner alone is worth it. Let's see what else is here. Gilmore Girls. There you go, Gilmore Girls. It's a lot of merch. Yeah, that's how they earn, definitely. Gilmore Girls. Gilmore Girls. Alright, there's a lot to see here, just even here in the merch store. But first things first, we gotta check in. We have to check in. No need to line up, says Madam. Right, Madam?
Via Klook, please check out my code. Charing.
Yes. Wishful thinking. So when you get into Klook, just enter our code Charing.
Charing.
All right. So once you enter, what do we have here?
It's the history
Oh, it's
of
history.
Warner Brothers.
History of Warner Brothers. This is the first main hall. So the moment you enter, this is what greets you. There's even a replica of that famous Warner Brothers water tank. It's a very beautiful first room. And some replicas of those studios. Look at that. Nice. After an intro movie, we're ushered into our carts.
All production offices for different TV shows, like the ones back at for the show Shrinking, if you like that. This is our infamous New York street right over here. Like Abbott Elementary, you love the place to your left-hand side. Oh yeah, totally movie. I had to run the school for Abbott Elementary. We transferred this place into a bunch of different things. Yeah, I'm like Gilmore fan, you know what this place is. It starts give me 1 second.
Alright, Mom. We're gonna enter the Geller house. Yeah. Yeah.
Already going out on a date.
So like put all the lights there.
Especially sucks on that day like
So less than an hour in, we've seen a couple of sets so far. We've seen the Geller House from Friends, a lot of Gilmore Girls sets, and right now we enter the Gilmore Girl house. Just taking a tour, and our host is just basically telling us how they set up movies and blank canvases like this. Really nice. More sets. This is America Town. Gilmore Girls. That's the house of Gilmore Girls.
Right now, stay tuned right here, 2122, right next to us on the right hand. That's what we go to these people in this building right here.
Shop is where anything made from steel or
For different projects. So yeah, this is cool. I have seen this actually.
Wow, look at all those manuscripts. Look at all those pictures of people who are part of the casting process or the actor that best fits the characters that they need.
Jagged cute. Yeah, they're jagged.
Oh, look, he's so cute.
Oh, look.
what I make, movies.
Oh, the Christmas scene. Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing? Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too. We've got presents. Yeah.
Coaching! Coaching! I should have been a stage mom. Galingan mo ha. Kundi mapafire ka dyan.
Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing? Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too. I've got presents.
Naka-American. Naka-British accent. Yeah.
Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing? Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too. I've got presents.
Whoa.
Warner Brothers Studios Hollywood was truly such a joy to visit. Allot 3 to 4 hours for your visit and soak in every little detail and visual treat that this experience gives you.
Tinga?
Take lots of pictures and relive your favorite Hollywood TV show or film and learn a thing or two about movie making magic. We really hope that you enjoyed touring this with us, and we hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.